friends. The Supreme Court of India, in a landmark judgment, that is D.K.BASU versus the state of West Bengal, has given a landmark judgment in protecting the right to life and the personal liberty of an individual, while the police authorities happen to arrest a person and put them in detention and also in jail. There are certain guidelines, 11 guidelines and commandments that have been issued by the Supreme Court of India in D.K.BASU versus the state of West Bengal. What is worrying is this: though the right to life and personal liberty have been guaranteed by the Indian Constitution under Article 21, and also in the International Covenant of Political and Civil Rights, in the Article 7, it has been ensured the right to life and personal liberty of an individual at all times and all places, including in police station and also in jails, without any deviation from the procedures that have been issued by the national laws and also the international laws. But without any exception, that is, after the guidelines issued by the Supreme Court of India in this regard, an umpteen number of cases, all the state governments, whether it is All India DMK, DMK or Congress or BJP and whatever party they may be, their affiliation and ideologies happen to be, they are not in a position in adhering to the rule of law, the national law and the international covenant on custodial deeds that should be preserved and protected in the interest of their citizens of the country and the citizens of the respective state governments. What is worrying is this: to put it more secondly, the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court bench justifies that Justices S.M. Subramanian and A.D. Maria Cliti, while dealing with the custodial deaths of AJIT Kumar in Thirupuvanam, it has strongly used the words, "It is an organized crime by police, where the state kills its own citizens," and lamented and bombasted the police and ordered that action against the perpetrators could be done more stringently than in normal murder cases. On the direction issued by the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court, the erring police officers, in violation of the guidelines issued by the Supreme Court and many other courts, have been charged under murder charges. It's a different matter. The matter has been now referred to from CID to the crime. This is CBI as per the direction of the Tamil Nadu government. It is a different matter. What is worrying is this: the judges further said that the custodial death is a violation of the fundamental right of a person, and despite the international covenants and prescriptions of procedures by the Supreme Court in a number of judgments, still custodial deaths are reported, which is a concern to the public. And the police officials are basically to protect the life of the people, and custodial deaths are viewed serious by the courts. No doubt that the custodial deaths are viewed by the courts, whether it is High Court or lower courts or the Supreme Court of India, but the police authorities and the powers that are manning the police personnel are not at all interested in protecting the lives and the livelihoods of the persons who are just accused, not proved any guilty against them. But even an FIR has not been booked against the accused person, but he has been put into death. This is causing a series of concern among the peace-loving people and human rights protectors. The violations of custodial deeds in Tamil Nadu that is happening in every part of the country, that must be arrested, and the law must go according to the rules and regulations that have been laid down by the Supreme Court of India in this regard. This is the message of this video. Thank you so much.